Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Chase Mobile can't see my ultimate reward points. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Settings, click Apps, click App Management, find Chase Mobile, click Chase App, click Storage Use, then click Clear Data. If you clear data, you need to log in your account again. Click OK. Click Back. Click Permission. Then allow all permission. Click Force Stop. Click Force Stop. Restart your phone once. Then open Google Play Store. Click Search bar, then type Chase Mobile. Click Chase Mobile. If you get any update, please update. Open Chase Mobile app, then log in your account. If your problem is not resolved after following all the steps, then understand that the server is down now. Try after a few hours, it will be fine. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.